Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a list in SharePoint Online using an Excel file. Before that, let's understand what a list is in SharePoint Online. A SharePoint Online list is like an online table that helps you organize and manage information, similar to an Excel spreadsheet. However, unlike Excel, SharePoint lists are designed for easy collaboration and sharing within a team. You can add, edit, and view data in a structured way, set up notifications, and even create custom views and forms. This makes SharePoint lists a great tool for managing tasks, tracking issues, or storing any other type of information you need to work on with others. We can create a list out of Excel stored on your local device or in the SharePoint document library. I'll create it from the Excel stored in my documents library. Here is my sample financial Excel stored in the document library. Disclaimer: I downloaded this Excel from the Microsoft site. Click on the list from the new menu. Create a list screen opens. You may go over the various list creation options on this screen to gain your knowledge. Click on the From Excel option. Either you can upload Excel from your local device, or you can select Excel from your document library. Be aware that if you upload your Excel from your local device, it will be uploaded to your SharePoint Site Assets library automatically. I am selecting my financial sample Excel from my document library. Then, the list customization screen opens. By default, column data type will be selected. However, if that doesn't match your data, you need to change the data type. Exactly. I am doing the same here. I am going through the each column data and matching with the data type selected automatically. If that data type doesn't fit my column data, I am changing to the proper data type. Please look at the screen to see what I am doing. Please continue watching the screen till I match my data with the correct data type. Since it is financial sample Excel data, it has almost all type data, so it is a good example. Basically, what I am doing here is changing all sales-related number data type to currency. I think that is the closest fit. I am changing the data type here. I am continuing to change the data type of my Excel list. Once you're done with data type customization, click on the Next button. Here, you can name your list and enter a description about it. You can uncheck or check the Show and Site Navigation option. Click on the Create button. Creating your list process started. This takes a couple seconds to minutes even, based on the list structure, schema, data type, and size of the data you have in your Excel. So, you need to have patience until it gets completed. Still, it is in process of creating the list. Wow, my list has been created successfully with the Excel data I had in it. You can have a look at your list. From here, you can add a new item to the list, edit an existing item, or delete an item. Here, I am showing how you can add a new item to this list. Thanks for watching this video. I hoped it helped you. If you would like to appreciate my effort, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.